The replanted bed is taking a battering. The asparagus is taking a battering with the wind, but it's still fighting. There's still some new space there. That one there. Another one there. Yeah, marvellous. The long season of asparagus is, you see it, all the ferns are going brown. Main is coming to an end. Have a walk down the garden. It's freezing cold. Well, it is winter now. And the autumn champion, I think, onions are sticking through now. Excellent them. Really good. And so the broad beans and the peas. And we start picking these sprouts shortly.